Live from our West Love Field studios, this is Weekendcast with meteorologist Copeland Wright.
And good Sunday afternoon, and it was a beautiful day here across North Texas for our last summer weekend before fall officially starts on Tuesday. But we do have a lot to talk about in the weather department. We do have Tropical Storm Beta out in the Gulf, and that will provide us with a good chance of rain, especially tomorrow morning on through Monday. We'll see some of those showers and thunderstorms as well due to that tropical storm. So a 50% chance of some showers as we start off our day tomorrow morning, and then that'll increase on through 70% chance throughout the day on Monday, and then it'll decrease to about 50% as we head into Tuesday. And then as the storm starts to move off to the northeast, we'll decrease our rain chances to about 30% on Wednesday before we start drying out on Thursday and Friday of this week. So looking at the satellite loop from space, we can see a good broad rotation from what now is Tropical Storm Beta, and it is just continuing to spin out in the Gulf, seeing some of those bands come up along the Gulf, along Louisiana Gulf Coast as well as Texas Gulf Coast. And again, we'll continue to watch that as it meanders along the Texas coastline and bring lots of rainfall towards our friends and family down to the south near Houston and Victoria. So definitely we'll continue to watch that on through the coming days. So here it is right now off into the northern part of the Gulf of Mexico as a tropical storm right now. 58 miles per hour is what it has for max sustained winds, moving about 6 miles per hour off to the northwest. And I believe it'll just continue to remain a tropical storm as it slowly moves off to the Texas coastline. By maybe Tuesday morning, afternoon, that's when it will officially make landfall and then start taking a northeasterly turn as it moves towards Houston towards Wednesday, and then start to go off towards a tropical depression comes Wednesday afternoon before going off to Louisiana and then Jackson, Mississippi as we head towards the latter part of the week. So we'll definitely continue watching this as it starts to slowly make its way onto the Texas coastline. But looking at some of the actual precipitation and what we can expect from this right now, looking at radar, they're seeing lots of rain showers down to the southeastern part of Texas near Houston. Victoria is starting to see some, but here as we get locally in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, we are quiet right now. But again, I am expecting some of that to start moving up towards sunrise tomorrow morning. But Huntsville down near Conroe, Houston, seeing some light showers. Just west of Houston, east of Victoria, they're seeing good moderate to heavy rain showers due to this tropical storm, and they'll continue to see this on throughout the next couple of days as Tropical Storm Beta does get closer and closer to the shoreline here along the Texas coastline. So we'll definitely continue to watch that. So looking at hour by hour as we progress on through tonight, on through tomorrow, you can see Beta is starting to slowly move along the Texas coastline, and then it'll provide some showers up into our area later on tomorrow morning. And then as we head on into the afternoon hour tomorrow, you see a wide spread of showers moving through the area, and then Tuesday morning we'll start to see some of those sprinkle right back in again. And then as we head through Tuesday going into Wednesday, as Beta starts to move on shore and move to the eastern part of the states, most of the area for those showers on Tuesday night going into Wednesday will have a better probability as you head out to the east near Paris, Sulphur Springs, out to the east near Tyler, Palestine. They'll have a better chance of those showers due to that storm than the DFW area. So we'll definitely continue to watch that as we progress on through the rest of this week. So here's another broader look of Tropical Storm Beta as it makes landfall Tuesday towards San Antonio. Then again, like I said, it starts taking a northeasterly approach as we head into Tuesday and Wednesday. And then it'll continue going up near the northern part of Louisiana as we head into Wednesday and Thursday. And then by that time, most of the showers again will be to the eastern part of of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So definitely we'll have some good chances for some rain over the next couple of days. How much can you expect? Lots of course down to the south near Houston, just east of San Antonio. They're seeing multiple amounts there. Here locally across the Dallas-Fort Worth area, I'm expecting probably about 1 to 3 inches for us here locally, maybe even higher if you're maybe to the east part of the Dallas-Fort Worth area, as you see more of that towards Wednesday and Thursday. But here locally, again, I'm thinking 1 to 3 inches, and then as you head further out to the west near Weatherford, Wichita Falls, Abilene, a little bit less, maybe bring a half an inch to an inch and a half as you head west of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. And my, did you get outside this morning? It was a lovely evening to walk the dog, or morning rather, a lovely morning to walk the dog or take a nice morning jog, because those temperatures this morning were lovely in the upper 50s, nice and crisp. 58 over in Fort Worth this morning, 62 in Dallas, 52 up in Denton, 56 over in Decatur, 55 in Mineral Wells. Just a beautiful morning, and then it was a beautiful afternoon as well. Look at it outside right now, looking at the skylines here in Dallas. Got a couple of clouds here and there, but temperatures right now very nice, 81 degrees right now. Really not feeling pretty bad with that feel like temperature at 82. Dew point is fairly comfortable for us here in the Lone Star State. 61 is our moisture in the atmosphere right now, and those east winds blowing about 11 miles per hour. Looking at the temperatures across the Lone Star State, most of us are in the 80s right now. 84 over in Tyler, 81 in Abilene, 80 over out west in Midland, 88 down in Corpus. They're seeing a 73 over in Houston because they are seeing some of that shower storms from Tropical Storm Beta. Here locally, though, we're seeing temperatures once again in the 80s for most of us. 82 up in McKinney, same in Dallas, 80 over in Fort Worth, 80 in Mineral Wells. They're seeing some 70s down to southwest of the Metroplex, 79 in Stevensville, same in Comanche, and then 80 out west near Graham. So a beautiful afternoon here across North Texas, and below average as well. So we'll definitely take that as we start to end out the summer season and begin fall. Winds right now are very light for most part, coming out of the east northeast, about 5 to 10 miles per hour for most of us here across the area. So by 10 p.m. this evening, we can see some slight chances of some showers, mainly to the southern part of the Metroplex, and that's because that tropical wave is starting to slowly approach us here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. But I believe most of us here across the immediate Dallas-Fort Worth area will remain dry through the 10 p.m. hour. We'll see temperatures by that time in the mid to lower 70s with those northeast winds blowing 5 to 10 miles per hour. So our overnight low will be near 65 degrees, northeast winds blowing 5 to 10 miles per hour, 62 over in Fort Worth, 64 as you head up north to Denton. So another beautiful evening headed our way here across the DFW area. So overnight tonight, we do have a slight chance again for showers down to the south, a little bit better chance here across the DFW area. 65 again will be our overnight low, and then there still will be an opportunity for some rain showers up along the Red River near Gainesville and Paris as well. And then for tomorrow afternoon, I believe a lot of us will see that swath of rain coming from Tropical Storm Beta throughout the evening. So don't forget that rain gear as you head out the door for work and school tomorrow morning, that umbrella, rain boots, all that good stuff, because I believe most of us will see that rain throughout the day. Highs, oh, look at this, highs only near 73 degrees. It's going to feel like fall, even though we're still technically tomorrow the last full day of summer, but it's gonna get us a little bit of fall tomorrow, so that's nice. 74 over in Greenville, 73 in Gainesville, and 76 in Mineral Wells. And then for your day on Tuesday, we do still have a good chance for some showers, moderate chance as you head from DFW to the points towards the west. Again, temperatures will still remain in the mid 70s, and then again as you head further towards the east near Greenville, Waxahachie, Palestine, they were expecting a more likely chance of those showers and possible thunderstorms as Tropical Storm Beta continues to push along the Texas coastline and give us a good chance for some showers here locally across the DFW area. So here's your all-important 12-day forecast. Again, a 70% chance of those showers tomorrow afternoon. 73 will be our forecasted high. 74 on Tuesday with a 50% chance of showers. 30% chance as we head into Wednesday. Highs will be near 78, and we start to trickle those highs up as we head into Thursday. About 79 will be our forecasted high under partly sunny skies. And then Friday, we'll see partly sunny skies, highs near 83 degrees. And then as we get into the weekend, we do have a chance for a weak cool front that provides us with a 20% chance of some showers and thunderstorms maybe on Saturday. We'll continue to watch that. Highs will be near 87 degrees, but then it'll knock temperatures right back down to 82 on Sunday, and then another chance for a weak cool front on Monday with Monday's high around 86. So definitely a lot going on here in the Weather Center. William Cole will definitely be back here tomorrow to give you a much updated look at the forecast and Tropical Storm Beta and what you can expect here locally in the DFW area. And then don't forget, he's on at 9, noon, 4, and 7 with all the latest updates. And you can also download our Texas Weather Tracker TV app for all the latest weather information, talking about Tropical Storm Beta and getting ready for the beginning of fall on Tuesday. I know you're ready for some cooler weather here across North Texas, so definitely download our weather app there. Thank you for watching me on Weekendcast. I hope you have a great week on here, North Texas's Weather Channel.